Hi, in this video, we'll see how to create an company. In order to create a company, you can log into any existing company, but only the super admin can create a company. And the super admin has to log in and he need to go to the top menu for where he will find an option of creating a company. On clicking and create a new company, so this is the screen where we'll give some company name, but actually we'll fill the your actual company and some address, actual address, line 1 address, line 2 address, line 3. You should give your actual address. This address would be used for any future in all the invoices, purchase orders, or for quotations. Many places this address would be used. So by default, if you when you click a company, this number at the top, what you are seeing now, you are seeing 006,006. That means already five companies are there. Now we are creating a sixth company. So city, while implementing the AIS, the business units are created based on that cities and all would be populated. So you select a city of operation and give the pin code, and you select the functional currency. This is a very important thing. Functional currency is the currency in which an entity operates. That means for Indian company it is INR. For American companies it is US dollars. For Chinese company, CNY, Chinese N. For a Japanese company, JPY, Japanese N. And similarly for UK companies it is a GBP. So this is a principle. For Australian companies it is the Australian dollar. So this is the main currency in which an entity operates. Indian companies will deal in INR. This is the principal currency, though it can do foreign transactions, but this is the main functional currency of this entity. And you will see an option called logo. Logo selection is mandatory. This logo, you can select only PNG. This logo would be used on invoices or some correspondence and anything in future. So select an logo and next fill the required GST number, service tax number. This is the entity master data. What is the EIN number? This is for foreign entities. Identification number, TIN number, TAN number, sales tax number, VAT, GST number. You fill all the data. You fill the address. You fill the principal currency, phone number, website, and select a logo and click on create a company. On clicking the company, on clicking this create a company, it will create a company. And also in the cloud buckets also it will create some it will create some folders which is in the uh, which it will be used for storing the future documents. That is, as when you are accounting a transaction, you can attach the invoices to the transaction, be it purchase invoice or sale invoices. All those would be saved to the cloud bucket. So that is what it had done. It not only created company in data in the databases, it had created the cloud buckets necessary for the future storing of the documents related to this entity.